Hey everyone. My name is Garrett Wang. I'm a co-founder of this company called Cerbrec. So we're basically a solution for black box AI. So what do we do here? Of course, we see a lot of AI platforms solving a lot of problems of building AI, building large language models. Another thing that we are focusing on here is we're trying to tackle the problem of black box AI. So you have a lot of black boxes here with the large language model, not sure what's going on inside. And why do data science care about that? So the reasons are a lot. So we learned that AI makes mistakes, and there's need to mitigate those risks. It's time consuming when you have those misinformation, or you want to customize, fine tuning your model, or you want to just troubleshoot it, debugging your model. These are the needs that we've learned from our users, why they need to unbox the black box AI. So that's what we do here. Basically, unboxing the AI models allow you to easily add guardrails, mitigate the risk, easily customize it, and tailor for your product use cases. So some of our screenshots here, first is, okay, of course, we come with some easy deployment here, but beyond that, what we have is we're unboxing inside the model. You can see how your data flow through. That one is the self-attention layer, pretty deep inside. And we also come with like the error checking, how your data shape and data type is mismatched. Some of the use cases we have here is, well, you can easily add lower layer, and you can easily add like key value cache layer here. Even you can do like graph attention. Well, that's probably getting too technical here, but you can also like plug in your vector database into like the any place in your embeddings. So that is how you could potentially do it, like just drag and drop, putting in a lower layer. And you can add like key and value cache for your, say you're doing like rolling cache to really cache a large document for summarizing. And it's hard to do that now. And if you do rolling cache with this graph interface, it's pretty easy to do that. And something else we can do is like graph attention by visually modeling it. All right, I'm gonna switch to a quick 1-minute demo here, comparing how you got a model, a GPT model from Hugging Face, like a prompt engineering here, and how the experience is compared to your our product here. So we're going to start with the Hugging Face model. So it starts with a prompt here, and then you run the model. You get the result here, as usual. Now you just try to understand how the model architecture works. You try to get inside the model, turning on the debugger, and you just try to find where the model is actually inside this large chunk of code. There's code that's relevant to software dependency. There's code that's relevant to the GPU configuration and cloud configuration. So that was actually me clicking through so many code here, so many clicks here, many hours actually. So finally, I was able to find, okay, I want to find the attention query layer. I want to get rid of it just to see how the result would look like. So I found the query layer, I was able to find it and comment it out. So that's the existing experience, and that might be a good experience here. A visual experience, you enter the prompt, you use data, it runs interactively, live, you get a live output as well. And then you try to get into the model, see how it works inside. And you have the GPT tokenizer, you have the model, you have the next token prediction here. And then you try to get into the model, you have the embedding where you can plug in your vector database, and you can also go inside the encoder here, which gets you 12 layers of encoder. And you can even get into the attention layer. If you want to get rid of the query layer, self-attention, if now say you don't want to use the query layer, you can just get rid of it. And it's not just visualization. You can also edit it. Say now you change your mind. You want to basically see how the result looks like by only using the first encoder layer. You can just draw a new link over. So now the result changed. All right, sorry. Yeah, and lastly, last slide here is basically our brief architecture. We have a GUI here, and then we have the middleware, which is the data integration with external and internal database. And we also have deployment here. And the lower level is basically talking with NVIDIA CUDA directly with distributed GPU. And that's my contact information. So if that's interesting to you, feel free to reach out. And you can also follow us on LinkedIn. Thank you very much.